Alright, so I'm here, and there's a train, and I'm kind of sitting under an umbrella because it's pouring down raining. But it's good. It's all good in the neighborhood. Not really sure which locomotives are on this and what train this is. It's an oil tanker, but... Alright, so it is raining out, which is good, but it's kind of bad at the same time. It's good because it gives like a variety, but it's bad because I'm like getting soaked. Oh, that one was burned. That YN2, I think it was a Dash 8, was burned. There's a lot of scrap metal on this one. I'm gonna probably stand here for the whole entire thing, even though it's pretty cool out. I feel like there might be something special on this. Sorry if I like move around and whatnot, since I don't have a tripod with me. I don't use it anymore, unless I'm doing like something like special that I need it. But I usually don't use it anymore. There's some plastic flying around in that one. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that tarp on that. That's pretty cool. Those are some quite interesting tarps. I hope the rain stops. Like, it's just like spritzing right now. But it was raining pretty hard before. A lot of this train's scrap metal. Saw that scrap metal and tanker cars. We are here once again getting poured on. Well, yeah, the rain started again, but whatever. So, this is all going to be in like a little compilation video. All these videos I'm going to get from today are all going to be put into a video. Because I'm not really sure what trains these are. Looks like another manifest. I'm hoping to get a shave and a haircut from one of them, which is basically just like a horn show. Maybe this guy. Nope. Yeah, I'm hoping for a horn show from one of them. I think it's pretty cool when they do a horn show. Unfortunately, they haven't done it yet for me though. It is like very cold out here. The temperature dropped again since it started raining or something. That's why I'm shaking. I should probably shut up and let you just enjoy the train, but whatever. In case you guys can even hear me. So if you guys did see the video this morning at the Illinois terminal on the ballast train, thought that was pretty cool. That's my second heritage unit I've seen. The first one I've actually photographed. So I was on the way home from someplace. I think we were canoeing or something, and I saw the Beeline service. I don't know which one that is. That Norfolk Southern Heritage. Thought that was pretty cool. I didn't personally like it as much as seeing something like I didn't like it as much as seeing some of the other ones. It looked kind of weird, but I think that was a Reading or Reading or whatever. Now we got some sort of train. We just got back from dinner, and so this is gonna start up the next part. I guess I could show you guys a mow truck back there. It's a little high railer from I think Tennessee. Yeah, had Tennessee plates on it. The last time I was here, I got to see it. Yeah, so I'm not really sure about this one, but we'll see what it is. I kind of have to go pee, so I'm probably gonna go. And the lights are on in this building back here, as well as I can see all the paperwork. This looks like it might be special. Probably not special though. Please don't be loud. Nah, not too bad. Jesus! Boy, that thing's loud. That's the only problem about it being so dark. Oh, the Norfolk Southern boxcar. Thing about Kansas City Southern boxcar and GATX. Yeah, that's the only problem about it being so, not a Norfolk Southern, being so loud. Southern boxcar. I guess I'm gonna be sitting here naming out boxcars for you guys. We're on train, go a little bit faster, mister. There might be a DPU on this, considering that it's one locomotive. And it looks to be a lot of boxcars. And other stuff. Well, mostly boxcars. More boxcars. I don't know. I'm a mix. Oh, I forgot to close the door. I'm a mix between freezing and shaking because I'm freezing. That's why. This is why I don't have a really steady aim, or hand. So don't mind me. That's why it looks like I saw a ghost or something. So I have a funny story to tell you guys, even though this is not really the time and place. So this afternoon, I was playing on my train layout. Yeah, go figures. So I have nothing to do. Yeah. So, well, the power went out halfway through. Nothing was even. Good Lord, that's loud. Nothing was even happening. And the power randomly went out, so, oh, DPU. So, yeah, so the power went out, and I got scared shitless. Mind my language, but I got scared shitless. I ran up like I saw a ghost. Because, I mean, the room was closed, the door is closed, it's pitch dark in there, I can't see. I got my trains running, you can barely see them either. Yeah, so that was I guess my great enjoyable time running trains. But power went on like less than half an hour later. And I ended up just going back down to the basement. Until then I was looking at heritage units, HL See you guys. We got another train. It's actually really raining hard now, but we're gonna wait for a little bit longer, see if we can get some more, and if not, I guess we're gonna head out, and then I can get home and put the videos together so you guys will see it someday. Someday, yeah, I don't know how many of you are gonna watch it, and I don't know what channel I'm gonna be posting it on, but we'll see. Maybe my Jack Giles page. Maybe my Norfolk Southern Remodeler page. Maybe both. So hope you guys enjoy me talking instead of just me sitting here doing pretty much nothing. Yeah, my flashlight's on. Alright, this is a local, I think. That is not the local. But that might be, I'm not sure. Jesus, that's short. Okay. This is a really slow train. Not sure which one this is. I think it might be that local again, but I'm not positive on that. It's either just a regular train or something that is going really slow for some reason. And we'll see. Should be honking his horn soon. Oh, there we go. No, this looks like just a regular train. Yeah. Yeah, nothing special. It's really cold out here. I'm just lucky that we haven't gotten mugged yet. Not that we will. I'm just saying because it's kind of, it's not in the ghetto, but it's not the nicest town. I mean, this place isn't too bad, but it's dark out and you never know. So I feel like it's snowing, even though it's rain. It's like I'm about to get hypothermia sitting out here, for Christ's sake. Alright, here's this Mo truck, but there is another train. A little Chevy. With a roof rack on it. This is the last train we're going to see tonight, I think. Unless there's another one that's going to be here right before we leave. But this is probably going to be the last one. Led by a YN2, looks like Dash 8. Woo! Boy, is it cold. I'm gonna be like so pissed if I step in a puddle because I'm wearing the shoes that are made out of mesh, which, bad idea on me. Except I didn't have any shoes besides boots that didn't have mesh in them. And it's not like I had time to get that or whatever. So it's whatever, I guess. Alright guys, so this is the end here. So if this is the last train, I'll see you guys later. If not, yeah.